Hi, I'm Tasman Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and training here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a natural vanilla body butter balm using Sapogel Q. Now let me show you how to put it together. Okay, so I have all my ingredients laid out here, and firstly I've got the Sapogel Q. So this is a natural oil thickening agent, and it's used to create like lots of balm textures, so perfect for creating body balms, lip balms and hair and other body products. Now this is a bit more forgiving than your sucra gel, so it's a little bit easier to formulate with, and I will show you that soon, but you will need to use an overhead stirrer to incorporate this as it is constant mixing. Okay, so over here I have my oil phase. So in here I've got some shea butter, and to this I'm going to add some mango butter, so this is going to be a really nice buttery body balm. I've got some macadamia oil here as well. And I've also got some caprylic capric triglycerides. So this is going to help with making it not feel so greasy and heavy because it's a medium skin feel triglyceride. Now I am going to gently heat this to melt my butters, and then I will be adding it to my Sapogel. Okay, once that's all melted, we're going to take it off the heat. Okay, so we do want this to cool slightly just so we can add in our antioxidant and also our fragrance. Okay, so once that's cooled slightly, I'm going to go and add my antioxidant. So I'm just using some tocopherol here. And I'm also using a naturally derived vanilla fragrance, but of course if you do have vanilla essential oil, please use that instead. Give that a bit of a stir, and now that's all ready to pour into my Sapogel here. Now, as I said before, the Sapogel is a little bit more forgiving than sucra gel, so it is a little bit easier to formulate with and incorporate. So using my overhead stirrer, I'm just going to start stirring it, and I'm going to slowly add my oil phase, just a bit at a time. Okay, so as you can see, that's thickened up quite a bit, but full viscosity won't be achieved till the next day, so we are going to cover and leave that. But you want to make sure that it's obviously not separated. Okay, so we're going to cover that and leave it and come back tomorrow. Okay, and here's what my body butter balm is looking like the next day. Beautiful and golden. Beautiful thick texture. It looks really thick and heavy, but it's actually not. As soon as you put it onto your skin, it kind of just melts away, makes it easier to rub in. Feels really beautiful and emollient. It's perfect for dry skin. It's nice and rich. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to put together a natural body butter balm using Sapogel Q. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating.